I have been struggling with my dental problems for years, and I knew it was going to come to the point that I was going to have to do something extreme. My teeth were starting to crack and chip. I had an accident a year ago and had one of my front teeth broke off. My teeth were turning gray, and I think because all the roots were dying. If I went someplace, I smiled with my mouth closed. It was embarrassing for me because I'm very talkative. It limited my talking to people out in public. If I went someplace, I spoke very little. I did not smile. I finally just decided that I wanted to get all my top teeth replaced. And the dentist that I used to go to did not do All-On-4s. Whenever I came in and spoke to the doctor, he gave me my options. And the option that I wanted was the All-On-4, and he talked me through what was going to happen. They were going to give me a CT, check my bone density to make sure I could do the implants. I would have to have my teeth extracted, and they would immediately put the implants in, and I would have a temporary. And that was what I was looking for. That's what I wanted to do. I did not want to go without teeth. The day I came in for my procedure, I had everything done, everything went smoothly. Whenever I first saw myself in the mirror, because they always give you the mirror, it was heartwarming for myself and my whole family.
Barbara left our office after the surgery with a set of temporaries that she absolutely loves, and that's what we strive for. After they've been through the trauma of realizing they have to have teeth removed and the trauma of having surgery, that they can leave with fixed teeth, it just makes the healing process so much better for them. I think patients have less pain and emotionally are able to get through that healing phase knowing that they look great, they can smile, and they don't have to worry about dentures falling out or going around without teeth.
They're fabulous up here. They are. Like I said, everybody that works here, their technology, the outcome that we all have when we leave here, it's wonderful.